I want my phone to be helpful rather than a strain while I'm trying to get things done. So, after testing out a bunch of hidden features, I've found a handful of easy tricks that truly make day-to-day tasks smoother and faster. I'm excited to share these with you. From cutting down taps to keeping distractions in check, these quick tips can help you turn your iPhone into an efficient, time-saving tool. If that sounds like you, stick around and let's get into it. Okay, so I know you probably already use Quick Actions menu by pressing and holding app icons, but let me show you just how powerful this is. Take the Calculator app, for example. Did you know a single tap lets you instantly copy your last calculation result? That's just one of many hidden shortcuts. Want another example? You can set a reminder into existing reminder list. So, take a moment and try this out with different apps. You might be surprised by just how many shortcuts are tucked away right on your home screen. You've booked a dinner with family, but your meeting runs late. Instead of manually changing the time, just drag the dinner event to a later slot in your calendar. It's a quick and easy way to adjust. In a note or email that contains a date, you can tap on the date to instantly add a reminder or calendar event. This automatically creates a new event in your calendar app with all the necessary details pre-filled, saving you time and reducing the chance of mistakes. Instead of bouncing between apps to organize an event or trying to share info in complicated ways, try this simple trick instead. Just hold an item, drag it, and use your other hand to open another app where you can drop it, just like you do with photos. While on the Events Edit page in the Calendar app, use the drag and drop feature. Hold the note you want to merge with the calendar event, then swipe up to open the Calendar app from your home screen with your other hand. Once in the Calendar app, drop the note into the Events Notes section. Now, your event will automatically include all the details from your note. Let me show you 2 Control Center tips that can save you more time. Adjust text size for specific apps. While you're in the app you want to adjust, open the Control Center, tap the text size icon, and select This App Only. Use the slider to choose your preferred font size just for that app, or apply it to all apps, so you can use it for the whole iOS system text size or even for individual app. But if you open the Control Center and hold the timer icon, not clicking, hold the timer. You'll see a slider appear that lets you set a timer from 1 minute up to 2 hours without opening the clock app. Use these shortcuts and you'll be saving time with every tap. When you receive an audio message, you aren't limited to listening to it at the speed it was recorded. If the message includes periodic silences or the person is speaking slowly, you might want to play it back at a faster speed. Simply long press on the play button to reveal a menu of playback speed options, including 1x, 1.2, 5x, 1.5x, and 2x. If you're enjoying these time-saving tips, make sure to check out my video, 15 iPhone usable tips. Just hit the I in the top corner or find the link below. And for all you Apple Notes fans, I've got 2 dedicated videos on mastering notes linked in the description. Ever wish you could call your favorite people with just one tap from your home screen? Here's a quick way to create a personalized speed dial button for any contact, right on your home screen. Open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone and tap on the plus icon from the top right. Now tap on the Add Action button. Type call in the search bar. If you see the contact to want to put on speed dial, simply tap on it. Otherwise, scroll down and tap on call under the contacts option. Next up, select the contact you want on speed dial. By default, the shortcut will be named something like New Shortcut or Call. You must rename the shortcut so it's easier to understand. For this, tap on the small arrow icon next to the shortcut name and rename it. Tap on the Add to Home Screen option and choose a photo or icon color for your shortcut. Finally, tap on Add from the top right. Your iPhone's home screen isn't just for apps. You can actually create direct shortcuts to your favorite websites, making them instantly accessible, just like an app. Here's how to quickly add a website shortcut to your home screen, so you're only a tap away from your most visited pages. Open Safari. Other browsers won't work. and go to the website you want. Tap the Share button. Scroll down and tap Add to Home Screen. Name your shortcut. Tap Add, and the shortcut will appear on your home screen as an icon. Simply tap the new icon anytime to open the website directly. To delete it, like any other app on your device. Instantly capture, name, and share screenshots. Ever taken tons of screenshots only to lose track of them? With so many piling up, labeling each one with a custom name can save you from endless scrolling. Let's explore how to organize, edit, and share your screenshots effortlessly and within seconds. Capture the screenshot, whether you prefer the button combo or using Action button. Once the screenshot is taken, tap on the preview in the bottom left corner to begin organizing it. From the preview, tap Share to open the share sheet. You'll see the screenshot thumbnail along with its default name. Tap Options under the thumbnail, and here you can rename it. Give it a meaningful name, like Meeting Notes or Flight Confirmation, making it easier to find later when you need it. Use your fingers on the preview to crop the screenshot or adjust borders as needed. Once edited, tap Share. Add to. Quick note for easy reference whenever you need it again. If you want to, share instantly. No need to dive into the Photos app to send it. Directly from the preview, select your messaging or email app and share it on the spot. After sharing or saving the screenshot to QuickNote, you can quickly delete it from the preview. This way, you avoid a growing gallery of screenshots you no longer need. With these quick tricks, your screenshots stay neat, searchable, and ready to use, minus the clutter. If you tend to download a lot of apps, you'll be all too familiar with nag rate this app prompts that periodically take you out of your flow. Fortunately, you can easily turn them off. Go to Settings, App Store, and toggle off the switch next to In-App Ratings and Reviews. Is Safari starting to feel cluttered with too many tabs? Let's clean things up and save some time with a few quick tricks. Step 1. When you're dealing with a ton of open tabs, start by going to your Safari tab view. Press and hold on any tab and you'll see an option to close other tabs. Tap that and boom! Every other tab disappears except the one you're focused on. No need to swipe through each one manually. It's a major time saver. Step 2. If you're ready to start completely fresh, here's a trick. Long press the Done button at the bottom of the tab view. Instantly, all tabs are closed with one quick press, giving you a clean slate without the hassle. Perfect for saving time when you want to reset. Step 3. For easy tab switching, never forget to use the swipe gesture. When you're on a web page, just swipe right or left across the search bar, and you'll jump between tabs instantly. It's a fast way to move around without even opening the tab view. And here's a final time saver for navigating back. Instead of tapping the back button over and over, hold it down to see a list of recent pages. Now you can jump straight to any previous page, no extra taps needed. If you're curious about your privacy and want Apple to show exactly what info you're sharing all in one click, check out this one.